Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 95 of Building the Enterprise-D. In this issue, we're going to be doing much the same as we always do. We're going to make up a panel. We're not actually going to be installing a panel. We're going to make up the panel and then we're going to work on some bits from before. So let's get this done and then we'll know where we are. We've got 3 of these escape pod hatches to put on. They turn up everywhere, these escape pod hatches. So we've got one spare, which I think we'll be using in a minute actually. Putting these on there, the narrow end, there, the red line is farthest from the narrow end. So we'll put that towards the wide end, is this end here. That one, and that one go on there. They are held in place with these 2 panels and the AM screws. I'm going to need a screwdriver. I didn't get my screwdriver out ready. Let's get that now. Put those on there to hold that secure. That on that one. And 2 more on that one. That's the nice easy bit. And then we've got to put the windows in place. They're easy. We've got lots of windows there. We're going to use 2 of each. 2 clear ones, which are going to go onto the right side of each pair. One there and one in there. Let's use a pair of tweezers to get that in the right place. Oh, picking it round. That one there and that one there. And these do exactly the same. The blacked out windows on the other bits. And they are held in place with that, which goes there, which will have the bulb from the interior of the saucer section to illuminate that from the edge. That on there like that. I should get all of these tightened up as well. Might as well do it now. Either do it now or forget about it and do it later, but I should do it now because it might as well. That one on there, that one on there, and that one, when you get it the right way round, on that top piece. So with that all together like that, all good to go. The only other thing to do with this piece is to put the phaser array on there, and that is held in place with 2 of these different screws. Nice and easy. So we're not actually installing this piece quite yet. We're going to be doing that next time when we've got another panel to install next to it. This one's got to interlock with that one, if you remember correctly from all of the other parts that we've done, very similar. So we've got that ready to go now. I should put that off to one side. Next up, we are bringing back in the big piece from before. I shall sort all that out and we'll see what we're doing with that. Right, so from last time we've got this bit, which we've got the window piece. We've got to fit around to that, which is that way around, like that. 4 screws holding that in place. But before we put that in place, we need to fit the final escape pod. Which way around? Has that one got that line to the outside? That goes on there like so. So this is then going to go over there like that. This is the one that doesn't really lock in place, isn't it? I remember this one from being a bit of a pain doing the other side. So let's try and get one of these in. I'll get 2 in on this side, and then hopefully I can sort of slide it into there. Get that in that way. So before I put that in there, let's make sure this is down. Doesn't actually, it goes down a bit flusher than that. I think that side is not fully down. Yeah, they're not quite in on this corner. Why that is though. There we go. Need to clip that down a little bit further. So let's get that back there. Right, then this should slide in, hopefully. That way around. They'll go under there. They're not in that side now. No, that is then. Yeah, there we go. So that goes under there. Before I put those 2 in, though, I need to put in the bulbs. So you're going to use the one from this side. It's going in over there, which is nice to actually get that used. And we're going to use the new one that we've got today to go in over this side. Like that. Right, so that's going in there. Then we can get the final 2 screws in place and get everything tightened down. That's that one and that one on the top over there. So there we have it. That is that done. So we're good to go with that to install next time. We've got, again, the other bulb either going to illuminate up there or on the side there, but that is getting there now. Another section getting built. So yeah, that is that. That's that issue done. I shall see you for more very soon. Next time, I'd say we're going to build another panel and then attach both of these to the saucer section, I think. So that's going to be... I like attaching panels to the saucer section because it makes it feel like it's getting somewhere. But that's that. Then the time after, we'll do another panel and we'll have a look at the magazine next time as well. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.